Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special DIY project for you that's perfect for gift giving. We're going to create beautiful and meaningful gifts using birth flowers associated with your loved one's birth months. So, let's get started. Materials and preparation. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need 1. Birth flower reference chart. 2. Cardstock or watercolor paper. 3. Pencil and eraser. 4. Watercolor paints or colored pencils. 5. Paintbrushes. 6. Scissors. 7. Glue or double-sided tape. 8. Blank cards or gift tags. 9. Ribbon or twine. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the fun part. Drawing the birth flowers. Using the birth flower reference chart, find the flower associated with your loved one's birth month. Lightly sketch the flower on your cardstock or watercolor paper. Don't worry about making it perfect. The charm of handmade gifts is in their uniqueness. Coloring the flowers. Once you're happy with your sketch, it's time to add color. You can use watercolor paints or colored pencils, depending on your preference. Start with lighter shades and gradually build up the intensity. Remember to let the paint dry between layers if you're using watercolors. Cutting out the flowers. After the colors have dried, carefully cut out your flower using scissors. Be sure to leave a small border around the edges to make it easier to attach to your card or gift tag. Assembling the gift. Now, let's put it all together. Attach your flower to the blank card or gift tag using glue or double-sided tape. You can also add a personalized message or the recipient's name for an extra special touch. Finally, use ribbon or twine to tie your card or gift tag to the present. And there you have it, a beautiful, personalized gift featuring your loved one's birth flower. I hope you enjoyed this DIY birth flower gifts tutorial. These personalized presents are perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. Your loved ones will surely appreciate the thought and effort you put into creating something unique just for them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.